head start. Quite happy with that. Pretty good. Do me. Up a double. Maybe a low 20. We'll see in a minute. A quick photograph done and get it back. Righty out. I do like things to be very precise, and you have to be in this game, I think. Really think you do. It's really, very, very precise. Squeaky boots. Those squeaky boots. There we go. Yeah. Right. Old after you've seen it over this rod, this one seems pretty much nicely set up. It's quite good. Right. Turn it on. Well, I've got to turn it on and just release a little bit of line there. Like spring bow type indicators these are. A little bit of tension in them. Quite good. I try to sort of fish slightly slacker lines, but been out there sort of keep the sensitivity up and about. Really good. Right, there you go. With a squeaky boot, we're going back inside. It's cold. Well, good morning from a very cold and misty lake this morning. Definitely a bit of a chill in the air. Quite interesting, really. I was not quite expecting such a cold morning and such a misty morning. I don't think there's been that much of a change in temperature over the night. But I'll have to have a check on the phone, actually. I'll have to have a quick look, but I can't amongst the videoing. But yeah, it's surprising. I was expecting 26 degrees and bright sunshine today, so maybe the forecast has changed slightly. There's a nice breeze, north sort of westerly breeze blowing in my face, and yeah, I want to get well, I've only got a t-shirt and a shirt on, so I'm gonna stick my coat on again. Amazing, really, isn't it? Quite surprising how cold it is. So I've just at 18 in the night, I just put a tench back. There's a rare thing on here, but they're becoming less rare. It's a pretty small one. I don't mind tench when they're in double figures because they're pretty fish. There go the geese. There you go, the geese. Yeah, they've been puffing around this morning. The cuckoo's been going crazy, so decided that fish at whatever it was, 244 or something. My sleep has been pretty much all over the place realistically. So I think what I'm going to do now is do this, have a brew, and then might try and get some more sleep between now and when the hot day arrives. Just have to see, really. I know what I'm like. I just end up staying up, which is not a brilliant plan always. Not at all. Right, we shall have to see. There we go. Well, the day's warmed me up now nicely. About 10 o'clock, and I'm now hiding in my bivvy already. I might be going to sit in the shade in a tree soon, under a lot of shade, because it's getting quite hot, really. So my camera equipment don't melt. I am charging my phone on my solar charger, so can't complain about all that. Just had some geese go by. I got plagued by another tench. It's a bit unfortunate, but seems to be the way of the world at the moment. Yeah, they seem to be in here and out here, and discovered the food. It's a bit problematic. There's John on the far blank doing a bit of fly fishing for the carp. He caught one the other week, which is quite good. You know, check on Avon Diary's website. You see a picture of it, which is quite good, really. Pretty good result. do is brew myself up a pot of coffee, go and sit in the shade, I think, for a while. When I say a while, it'll probably be most of the day now. It's extremely hot. So I don't know there'll be much to report really, apart from Ian's arrival. That'll be about it really. Can't see anything happening today. It never happened the last few times I was here when it was this hot. So it's just waiting for the night really. But you just never know, do you? Funny place this can be. And fishing can produce the strangest things at the strangest of times. But there we go. Right. Do that, shall we? Right, it's time to stick some bait out. I'm going to stick to the 20mm boilies because I'm a bit concerned about the tench, so I'm just going to cane these out. I'll put in about sort of 7 or 8 at the same time because I'm not really fishing very far out and they land perfectly. So get that out here. Well, the sun has finally come to my swim. Not the sun, the shade. The sun is finally out of my swim is what I should be saying, really. Okay, I haven't even had a afternoon drink yet. Probably the lack of a nap, really, that's done the problem. Right, I'm going to go investigate and see what Ian's up to. He's brought his new extended canopy along with him, so how he's got on setting that up. We'll investigate and see what his new little campsite looks like, how much space and stuff he's got. He's probably laying on his reclining chair and fast asleep. A new reclining chair as well now, and yeah, he's probably spark out. He was nearly dozing earlier. I convinced him to get out there spotting, so yeah. There we go. Does look good, doesn't it? Oh my word, it's hot in this heat, isn't it? Well, there we go. Look on a little bit of a detour and go around this way and approach from a different angle, and you'll see what his new little setup's like to keep him cool. A little bit more space. I think he's got to run a little bit further to his rods, so I'm not sure he's going to like that one. There we go. He's looking good. Does look very spacious in there, doesn't it? Very spacious and cosy. There you go. Very spacious and cosy in there. In fact, there's not even an angler in here at the moment. He's gone back to his car to do some stuff. Yeah, it's quite good. I like that. It gives him a little bit more space, a little bit more shade and everything. It's pretty good, really. Fantastic. Turn around and look how he swim. Very good indeed. Okay, okay. A few rotten stuff in the corner of his swim down there. There we go. Rightio. Head back around my way and yeah, go back to my swim. He's obviously up the car getting more kit. But he's not forgotten anything. We all have that habit nowadays. What did I forget this week? Oh, milk. And I forgot to top up the well, I forget to top up on my coffee pot, so slightly less coffee normal. I'm really unlucky. I've got instant coffee because I carry a little tub of that, having been caught out before. There you go. I spy you over there, Mr. Hemmings. Happy fishing. Way over in the distance in the Cotswold. Yeah, it's quite good. I'm glad my swim's now getting a little bit more shady. Very good. So we're happy about that. Oh, better. Back in the pool now. On the crunchy gravel. Looking very good indeed. There we go, eh? There we go indeed. Fabulous. Well, the weather's on and we've got the usual Yorkshire pudding to go on there. We're just waiting for the temperature to heat up and we should be enjoying that. Look at that, absolutely beautiful, see? Food by the lake, what more could you ask for? Sitting out in the last little sort of rays of sunshine here. Waiting for the temperature to warm up and then we'll be good. Then we can tuck into me meal. It's quite good really, look at that. Yorkshire pud, potatoes, chicken, sausage and a bit of bacon. Absolutely splendid. What a fantastic evening. About 6:30 now I think. The sun's going down. Well, it's not really going down, is it? But it's sort of disappearing behind the trees, so it makes it look like it's going down over here. But it's not. It's absolutely wonderful. So the old we got temperatures creeping up nicely. That'll be good. And yeah, look forward to that. Sneaky glass of wine there. Both Ian and I. Ian's got his remote. He's just kind of got his food as well. And cook it up. And yeah, it'll be good. Very good indeed. Very nice. Beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful. Dinner by the lake. What could you ask for, really? Well, excuse me being in the picture, but looks like Ian's just had a take on his rods. He's a little bit more of a sprint than me. Oh, he's coming. Early evening take, this is what we want. We don't get early evening takes. What should we do? We'll go around this side. Yeah, he's in. Nice one. Early evening take. The beast of Mott's beggar is on its way into the net. Oh, Ian's got shoes on and so have I. So, one of us is going to get wet feet. No, it'll be alright. Oh, it's going left, we think. Right. I'm getting a bit tricky now because I'm going to grab the net. So I'll sort of film it in at the same time, lifting the net over the top of the other rod. Like that. Down into the water. Here. There he is, the man in action. Right, where are we? I better concentrate on my netting job, and I. Right. Where are we? Oh, I see the fish. There we go.
It's not very big. Here we go. Come on, baby. Baby. I'm messing around with you. I've had enough of you.
It's got a bit of a back on it.
Good action shot. You got the net out?
Yeah, I'm ready and waiting. I just need it to calm down a little bit more and we'll nicely have it in the net. Didn't like that, did it now?
It does not.
It just spotted the net then. Oh! No.
Oh, there you go.